So, I'm Bea Villegas, running for VP for Internal Affairs. Being the junior VP for internals, I just feel hindi ko kayang i-let go. Kasi, not because, alam mo yun, hindi sa power hungry or anything, pero parang I want to improve or consult that much. Parang, ang dami kong nakitang rooms for improvement and ang ganda nung nangyari this year. Very good yung feedback from the or community. And then, yun, gusto kong i-build pa yun para next year, since our last year din, tas para yung may iwan namin na or consult, maganda.
It's about anything.
Okay, definitely yung the whole year may kakaroon ng isang benefactor ay beneficiary. Kasi gusto ko siya kasi para main point nun is to promote yung yung CSR ng org. So dahil meron tayong main yung sa GPO kasi ay sabi ko gusto ko yung main benefactor na yun sa lahat ng IGPs natin or mga events na mag-generate ng income or mga projects na nag-generate ng income, mabibigyan siya ng certain percent. I was thinking 5%, pero I'm not sure kung ano yun. Depende pa eh. Maganda yung pipili ka ng isa, for me I think maganda siya. Yung pipili ka ng isa, tapos you'll focus on them and then build mo doon sa kanila. Para mas makakatulong ka, hindi lang yung one time, big time, may long-term relationship. At first kasi iniisip ko externals was for me. And then when I got to know kung ano yung kailangan for being an VP for externals, na-realize ko it's not my thing. Diba? Kasi in externals more on connections, more on outside, diba? Outside things. And tapos more on ano siya, creativity, flair, gano'n. And, well, kaya naman, pero hindi ko siya forte. Na-realize ko itong internals, yung member relations, more yun yan. Tapos mga events. I think that's more for me. Mas kaya ko siyang dalhin. And mas happy ako sa pagdadala kong gano'n. Sana lahat ng events, hindi siya liability. Hindi naman sa ano, pero alam mo yun, financially, hindi siya liability. Kailangan hindi lang puro saya yung inanat. We have to think of the long term eh. So, there. Isa yun. Yun yung major na gusto kong ano eh. Also, sa pang-major, kulang tayo napansin ko sa CSR. Well, meron naman, like yung nung nagkaroon ng calamity, nag-act naman yung Orcomsoc doon. Pero, I want us to be more active pagdating sa community relations and yung sa yung ganong area. Para hindi tayo ma-stereotype as this kind of people. Because we're not. We are we're very well-rounded and we have to show the people that we're like that. Tapos, UP tayo. So, kailangan din nila makita na hindi lang kami basta communication course na puro PR and puro party. We are UP people who are really, who really cares for the community, the school, and lahat. Also, okay, so yung CSR, yung budget, feedback. Although, informally, meron naman. Kasi, through grapevine, ganyan. Nakukuha siya yung feedback. Pero sana, merong mas formal way. Okay, yung ang gusto ko lang din improve. Kasi parang hindi lahat alam kung, di ba may committees tayo. Pero parang hindi nila alam, ano bang ginagawa ng committee ito. May pinost na descriptions, ganyan. Pero dahil hindi nila na-experience, wala masyadong projects na nabigay sa kanila, hindi sila na fully utilized, hindi nila alam ano ba talaga yung, para saan ba talaga sila, asan sila sa org, sino yung under nila. So, ang gusto kong i-improve doon, sana before mag-start ang kahit ano, malaman nila sino yung Orcomsoc by releasing publicly ano yung mission vision ano yung mission, vision, ano yung constitution. Kasi ako, hindi ko talaga siya nakita. So, sana yung members, para mas legit na alam nila, yun, makita nila yun. Ito kami, ito yung gusto namin, formally. First of all, know how to prioritize. And then, paano magpa-prioritize? Ay. Paano ba mag-prioritize? Kailangan may sense of urgency. So, ano ba yung kailangan muna, diba? Ano yung mas pwedeng, yung mas efficient way of dealing with things, yun. Tapos, prioritize, manage time wisely. Ako, I think, I admit na yung this year ko, the only thing na sobrang nako-conscious ako sa nagawa ko. Kasi hindi ako masyadong nakapag-manage ng time ng maayos. Actually, ko yung paano nag-work ang sleep eh. Pero, nag-ano kami, we looked at our GPOs. Tapos tinignan namin kung ano yung common sa amin. Tapos yun, hindi naman nag-build kami on that. Parang may ideas lang kami on our own. Tapos we thought na, okay, pareho tayo dito. So let's build that again. Stickler for details, I think. Kasi I prefer things to do things slowly, pero smooth. O, tsaka yung maayos talaga. Tapos, and important yun, I think, in events planning, in everything. Kasi, ano naman yung may output nga, pero pangit naman. Tapos, I think, yung being the junior execom, that's, I think, the greatest advantage that I have. Because I know kung ano yung mga nangyari. And I know kung ano yung mga reason kung bakit nangyari yun. So, this time, kaya ko siyang, if ever, kaya ko siyang i-improve or kaya ko siyang iwasan yung mga bad things. And yung mga good things naman, kaya ko na siyang ulitin kasi I know what happened. Vote straight, evolve. Vote straight na lang eh. Vote straight, evolve.